Hey designers, let's create a stroke outline in Photoshop. First, select the subject. Go to Select, Subject, and the subject will be selected. Now, go to Select, Modify, and Expand. I'll use an expand value of 20. OK, now use the Marquee tool, right-click, and select Make Work Path. Then, take the Pen tool, choose Shape, and switch from Path to Shape. Adjust the stroke weight to your preference. Modify the stroke size as desired. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.